Get strong.
Welcome back to another video on 12 years gone. In this video, it is me from my mother.
Hi guys.
And in this video, we're eating a load of snacks as you can see here.
So the first snack I'm going to eat is chocolate chip.
And the first snack which I'm going to be eating, which I'm intrigued about, are these mini waffles.
Alright, let's start.
These are what it looks like.
These are just okay, not fantastic like Oreo chocolate chip. Just okay.
When these waffles are, in my opinion, too sweet, you want to try one?
Hold on. Eat this one first.
But in my opinion, these waffles are a bit too sweet for me. But let me try some of her cookies.
Waffles, thumbs down for me. They already taste good. And this is the next one for me is the what is it? Oli.
The olive.
Ole.
You should ask them right there.
Extreme barbecue.
And next up for me as well is popcorn. Cheesy popcorn. I love these, they're very good.
You don't need to have a fight to open this in some of use my teeth.
Can I rip it? These are perfect. In my opinion, 10 out of 10. Could not do better.
These are a bit salty, but I can taste the sweet barbecue.
And with popcorn, I just have just the right amount of cheese and sauce. They're very good.
Alright, what next for me? Sanyo. Big size Buddha from National. This is a coconut flavor.
I'm going to be trying to do this here as well.
See how small they are. Tastes good. Tastes the coconut a bit dry though.
At least tastes like Bulla in compact amount as you know, as stated in the packaging. In my opinion,
A bit dry.
these are must try as well. You should buy them if you see them. Anyways, our next snack will be next snack that I'll be trying are cheese snicks, holiday cheese snicks right here.
One of my favorites. And this is what again? Cheesy. Used to be my favorite back in the day.
These are very hard to open, as you can see. Sorry about this.
What have you got now?
Oh, that is good. You'll take that on that, yeah?
Let's see this is simple as that, right?
Alright, try. Yo. How many these are cheeses?
They're one of my favorite snacks. Very cheesy. To me, it tastes better than cheeses. Oh, this one. This one we bought in India, so I'm gonna try this one for the first time. What's the name of it?
There's some chocolate sandwich cookies, as you can see.
What's the name of this?
Guina.
Barina sandwich.
Some chocolate cookies, as you can see. And my next stop shall be donuts.
Oh, that's all the money for them. Sit down here saying, the donuts. This kids have broke up already. Here, biscuit broke up on me.
And we have had delicious donuts, as you can see.
Just sugar and taste, not really tasting any chocolate in this, so I don't know what they say chocolate biscuit. They're full of thumbs down for me. I can broke up too much.
And this one is especially delicious.
Can I have a bite?
My opinion, this is an 8 out of 10.
Alright. Last one, please. For me. Right, plantain chips from National.
Anyways, the final stuff for me as well. I'm going to be the big foot.
A bit stale. Tough.
As you can see.
I don't really like these, but these are stale. I don't have any more.
Anyways, the big foot is delicious. Anyways, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. But without further ado, peace.